Hello friends, welcome to Technical Trends. So in this video, I will explain you about a tool. With the help of this tool, you can get all the Kali Linux operating system tools within your Termux. So before jumping into the video, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Technical Trends and click on the bell icon you find there to get notified about my latest videos. So yeah, just one tool, get all the tools of Kali Linux in your Termux. So firstly, open Termux. Let me zoom it out. So yeah, to install this tool in your Termux, you need to have git package installed already. So further the command is pkg install git. So after entering this command, just click on enter so that git package will be installed in your Termux. So as git package already installed in my Termux, so it took less time for me, but for you it might take some time. So after entering this command, after git package is installed, you need to clone a URL, git clone. So I'll provide this URL link in the description below. You can just copy it from there and paste it here. So after entering the URL, just click on enter so that the URL, the package will be installed, the tool will be installed in your Termux. So as you can see here, destination path LazyMux already exists because I already installed this LazyMux in my Termux previously. For me, I got the destination path is already there, but for you it will be installed in your Termux. So after completing this cloning, just enter the command ls so that all the directories present in your Termux will be displayed. So as you can see here, LazyMux. So now change the directory to LazyMux and just click on enter and just list it out. So as you can see here, these are the different files present in the LazyMux directory. So to run LazyMux tool, just enter the command python lazymux.py. Guys, before entering this command, if Python package is not installed in your Termux, just enter the command python pkg install python. So after installing this Python package, then only you type this command python lazymux.py and just click on enter. So yeah, as you can see here, LazyMux, the tool has started. See, information gathering, as you can see here, almost all the tools which are present in the Linux, Kali Linux, you find it here. For example, if you want some tools regarding information gathering, just enter the command 01 respective number. You need to just enter the respective number and just click on enter so that it displays you all the different tools for information gathering. So as you can see here, these are the different tools for information gathering. Just enter the respective number of your wish to get the tool. So this is for this video. So as you can see here, this is very informative. You can use any tool, you can get any tool just with one tool. So hope this is informative. In my next video, I will explain you how to install Evil Droid. Guys, generally Evil Droid is a tool which helps us to create a payload, and payload is nothing but just similar to any virus attack or virus or Trojan. So in my next video, I'll explain about that. So don't miss out my videos. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon you find there to get notified about my latest videos. If you have any doubts, just DM me in the Insta. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.